It's the final weekend! What? I knew this moment was coming. Apocalypse. Sorry, no. I mean, yay! It's the weekend! Oh my god, you scare me. You mean, yay, finally, it's the weekend. Yes, finally, it's the weekend. Why finally? Final is an adjective. So it means like the last thing. So you just said the last weekend, like of the world. But finally, it has an ly at the end. That means it's an adverb. Basically, anytime a word has ly at the end, it's an adverb. 95% of the time. So please do not say that again. Okay, so it's finally the weekend, and I will be a sing at a beautifully concert. Eh? Yeah? Okay, remember, concert is a thing. You said beautifully, which has an ly, which means it's an adverb. But you need an adjective to describe concert. So what do you think the adjective is? Beautiful. Yes. One more thing. You said I will be a sing. Sing is a verb. You cannot be a verb. You are a person, so you are the singer. Add the ER. And ER often means it's a person. Oh, so I will be a singer at a beautiful concert, and it's the final weekend. Sure, it's the final weekend.